We're here at SOS Village Tahiti, an organization that provides for children who have experienced physical, emotional, mental, and/or sexual abuse in a dangerous home situation and have been ordered by the court to be removed from the homes. SOS Village provides not only shelter for these children, but provides education, experience, training, helps them learn to care for themselves, schooling, learning how to cook and clean, all the skills that they need to someday be a successful, independent adult. Partner Co. and its affiliated companies have the great pleasure of having supported SOS Village Tahiti for over 25 years. And we are now working on a new project that we would like you to work with us to help fund here at the SOS Village.
Hello, I'm Ludovic, director of the SOS Village Children's, and I work here since 5 years. I try to talk you for rebuild the house, because the house is closed in 2017 because it was a flood, and we want to renovate whole house and change bedrooms. Then we want the auntie moms, she's close kids for the night and for every day, everything. I really want to say thank you for all the kids and for the many years we can work, support kids and give a second chance for the life.